Welcome to the 2020 Pacific Mountain Regional Council General Meeting. It is taking place this year virtually using the platform Whova. This video, we're going to be taking you through how to make sure you get into Whova so you can access the meeting. So you will have been sent a link from the Regional Council that takes you to Whova for the web. It looks something like this up here, whova.com/portal/webapp/PMRCG_202010, and then /sign-in will be the page to sign in if you haven't done so already. So if you've already have a Whova account, that means you've used Whova for another event already. Then you're going to want to sign in with your email and password here. If you haven't used Whova yet, then you're going to come down here and you want to click the sign up here. Now, even though you've registered for the event, you still need to sign up with Whova in order to use the platform. So you click down to the sign up here, enter your email, create a password, and confirm your password, and then click sign up. Now, if you've already used Whova before for an event, then you're going to just right here log in, and if you've saved your password and your email in your browser like I have, then it'll just show up automatically. And then you click sign in. And then it takes you to the landing page for the meeting where you can find a little bit of information about what's going on. And this may be updated as the meeting transpires as well. We can put new information in here for you if we want. And so it might be worth checking every once in a while. And once you get here, you'll notice on the left-hand side is your navigation menu. And then up here in the upper right-hand corner, where you see it says my name, Allan Buckingham, if you click the arrow next to your name, because it will be your name when you sign in, it says my profile. And here's where you want to put your name. This is my test account, so I've changed the name to Test Buckingham, and it shows up in some places. And you can change your affiliation, add some interests, your location, a little resume, bio, that kind of stuff if you would like. And once you're done, to do that, you click the edit, the little pencil icon, and then you'll save that section. And once you're done and back to this page, then you just need to pick back to the home screen and you've edited your bio. Now in some of the other videos you'll find, I'm going to take you through going to the agenda and what all these things on the left-hand side mean. But for this video, we're just making sure you can get in and ready to access Whova. And right now, you're good to go.